Assalamu alaikum students of 6th class. Subjects SST, Social Science, Unit number 14. Unit name is The People of Pakistan and South Asia. In this chapter, we will study about Pakistan population and we will create awareness of problems due to uncontrolled population growth, illiteracy, disease and infant mortality. We will compare population statistics, literacy, and urban rural of countries of the subcontinent. We will study about SARC and its aim. So now we will start it. What you know about population? Population means the people living in an area like a city or a country. We get to know the details about the population through records kept and through a census counting of the people. So, there is a question, how do we gather information about a country's population? We gather information about a country's populations from records kept and through a census. And there is one another thing. In Pakistan, we use different languages. What are some of the problems of having so many languages in one country? And what do you think? What language we are speaking here as a official one? More languages mean more variety in the composition of a country, but each group gives much importance to its own language as it is a mark of its identity. In Pakistan, all languages through spoken differently are written in the same script. But in India, there is a great diversity in the range of languages spoken and written, and in the script also, north to south. Secondly, education and official communication may not be possible in all the languages in a country. So, there is a general one official or state language. What do you think the most widely spoken language in the world is Chinese? Because China has the highest population of any country on earth. You can see the map. It's a languages spoken in Pakistan: Punjabi, Pashto, Saraiki, Sindhi, Urdu, Balochi, Bharvi, others, and Hindko. Punjabis are 48%. People of Pakistan, 48% of in Pakistan, 48% of people are speaking Punjabis right now. Same, they have mentioned all the percentages you can see here. And yeah, what you know about SARC? What does SARC stand for? And when and where did the last SARC meeting take place? SAARC stands for South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. The last SARC meeting took place in Pakistan in January 2004. Now there is another question. Why is literacy so important to a developing country? Do you know? Do you have any idea about it? It's because a developing country needs a strong education base if it is to compete successfully in the world. We need our literacy rate and education. We can be successful in world through our literacy rate. So that's it all for today, students. Thanks. Take care. Allah Hafiz.